Hello, BitQueens. Hello, everyone. Welcome to tonight's event. Welcome to BitQueens. I'm happy to have each and every one of us here. Welcome, Charity. Welcome, Soma. Welcome, Virginia. This is another Sunday where we get to have another exciting learning experience. And today is very special because we're going to be looking at an important, very special topic, which is crypto investing for women. All you need to know to become successful with crypto investing. So these are the things we're going to be discussing today. I'd like to welcome everyone. Please go to the chat and tell me how your Sunday has been. This is 7 minutes past 5 p.m. West African time. What is it in your own time zone, and how has been the Sunday for you? So without wasting much of our time, while you're sending in your feedback, I'll quickly pull up my screen so that we get started with our conversation for today. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm always excited each time we have the opportunity to come together to learn about blockchain technology, to learn about cryptocurrencies, and how that can empower women. Yes. So today, like I said, is a very special Sunday. We're going to be learning about crypto investing and why it is important for women to pay attention and how they can start leveraging that. So let me quickly pull up my screen now and we get right into our conversation for today. Trying to get my screen. Okay, I've seen that. All right. Welcome, everybody. And it's always a delight. Like I said, today is a special one because in today's conversation, we are going to be unlocking one of the many opportunities that are available in the blockchain and crypto world. And like we said, is crypto investing for women. What you need to know to become successful with crypto investing. You're welcome, everybody. I can see more people are joining. Welcome, Winifred. Welcome, Carol. It's good to have you. And if this is your first time of meeting me, I'm Christy Emmanuel. I'm a blockchain educator for women and the founder of BitQueens. So BitQueens is a community that is helping women learn about blockchain technology, about cryptocurrencies, about Web3, and how these technologies can empower them. And our vision here is to make learning of these technologies easy and enjoyable. We have a community that helps you feel supported, you feel confident and excited to begin to explore the different and endless opportunities that are available in the blockchain space. So you're welcome. Carol says, grateful to be here. Yes, it's good to have you. Virginia says, blessed Sunday, everyone. Yes, thank you for showing up, for always being in our events. Thank you. So, like we said, blockchain is helping women empower themselves. We have come to understand that cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology is not only the future of finance, but also the future of empowerment, future of financial freedom, future of equity for all women. And so that's why here at BitQueens, we're taking advantage of every opportunity available in this space to learn more about it and to empower ourselves with it. So what are we going to be learning today? We're going to be understanding what crypto investing is and how it is actually different from traditional investing. Why crypto investing matters for women. We're also going to be looking at how to get started with crypto investing as a woman, the steps you need to take, the tips, the resources, everything you need to know to get started. And then how you can monitor your investment and adjust as you go, the strategies you need to adopt, the mindset you need to have, and how you can adjust as you progress in your crypto investing journey. We're also going to look at some crypto investing myths and misconceptions, and we're going to be demystifying all of those and giving you the right information and giving you the right mindset. And at the end, we're going to interact. Yes, so we have a lot in store for us today. So what I want you to do is to get a journal or a screenshot application, whichever works for you, to be able to capture your thoughts during the presentation. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the chats. they will all be responded to before we end today's session. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you want to ask, what really is crypto investing? Now, crypto investing is simply the process of buying cryptocurrencies or crypto assets, selling them, holding them, managing them, and the aim is usually to generate profit or income. So crypto investing is the process of buying cryptocurrencies, selling, holding, managing with the aim of generating profits or income. That's what crypto investing is. And what are these crypto assets that you can buy, you can hold, you can sell? Example is Bitcoin, which is the most known cryptocurrency out there because it was the first to be launched. And then we have Ethereum, we have stable coins. There are some NFTs also that you can buy and hold or sell or manage as part of your portfolio. Then crypto investing is a dynamic but still evolving landscape. Okay, it's not something that has been there for decades and decades. So it's still evolving, and so it's important that we understand the dynamics, we understand the environment, and of course use the knowledge we have gotten to adjust ourselves as we progress in the journey. But one thing you should know is that it holds immense possibilities and opportunities for women. And guess what? Women can play significantly in this environment. They've also done so. There are women who are doing so for themselves, and more women should take advantage because it provides opportunity for women to create wealth for themselves and also create wealth for their loved ones. So a lot is in store for women when it comes to crypto investing. And in today's conversation, we're here to demystify everything that you need to know to get you started so that you can be successful in your crypto investing journey. Now, how is crypto investing different from the traditional investing or investment like bonds, like stocks, like real estate and things like that? Let's look at the first one. Investing in the crypto space is digital and decentralized. That's one thing you should know. It's different from the traditional type of investing because the traditional type of investing is centralized. It's controlled by maybe a third party, a company, an organization, an intermediary, as it were. But with crypto investing, it is digital and it is decentralized, meaning that it's not controlled by any authority or any government or any bank. So that's another way of handing power back to the women so that they can be fully in charge of their investments and of course their funds. Then it's global and it's borderless, meaning that you could be anywhere in the world and still have access and still participate in crypto investing. Okay, at any time, there are no restrictions, there are no intermediaries. Of course, it is transparent. And why this is because it is built on the blockchain. So when you hear crypto investment, you are talking about an investment that is on the blockchain. And the blockchain in itself is transparent, is secure, and of course is open source. So this gives it so much value, allowing power to be in the hands of women who are taking advantage of these crypto investments. Then it's diverse and innovative, meaning that with crypto investments or crypto investing, women could take advantage of different areas of finance. You could explore a wide range of functions or features that are not available in the traditional investment system, as it were. You could take advantage of peer-to-peer payments, for instance, where women could actually exchange value. Let's say you are doing business in the US with another woman who is in Nigeria. Both of you could do a peer-to-peer kind of payment or settlement without having to use the traditional banks. You see how innovative that is, irrespective of where we may be. So it's diverse and innovative way to participate in the economic activities of where you are, because whether we know it or not, women usually are not so incorporated, especially when it comes to having access to financial activities or economic activity, being part of economic activities, because we still have a lot of women who are unbanked. Unbanked means that they do not have access to IDs, to be able to even create bank accounts and to be able to do business with other people, whether within their own localities or whether it's across the globe. So with crypto investing, women could be incorporated in the financial activities of their country, of their location, of their communities, and be able to do business with other people across the globe. And crypto investing gives women opportunities to take advantage of different models of business, of opportunities like tokenization, like decentralized finance, where women could lend and borrow funds, like NFTs, where women could buy into non-fungible tokens, that is art or patents or very rare artifacts that could potentially result to profits in the future. So all these are opportunities that are available in the crypto investing that is different from what women are used to. So one thing I want us to know before we go any further is crypto investing is not crypto trading. So how are they different? In case you are wondering, oh, what is crypto trading? Is it not the same thing as crypto investing? No, both are not the same, and I'm going to explain that quickly. So crypto investing is a long-term approach that you apply, whereby you buy cryptocurrencies that have value, their function, the solution they are providing, and you buy them and hold them for a period of time. It could be for months, it could be for weeks, it could be for years. So you're not expecting to get the returns immediately, because you understand that that particular crypto asset has value, it's providing solution, and then you can afford to hold it. So crypto investing is more of a long-term approach, and you expect that the value keeps increasing over time because of the value that it is bringing to the marketplace. Another thing that sets crypto investing apart from crypto trading is the fact that crypto investors believe in the fundamentals. So they don't just go into the market and pick any coin. They first of all research and they understand the fundamentals of that particular cryptocurrency, the tokenomics, all the value and everything that they need to know, and then they can confidently hold for a long period of time while ignoring the short-term price fluctuations, because cryptocurrencies are not stable in price. So with time, they could go up, they could come down, but once you understand the fundamentals of that particular cryptocurrency, you could actually ignore the short-time fluctuations, because you know that in the long term, it has the potential to increase in value. Of course, it requires less time and effort to manage than the way it is in crypto trading. For crypto trading, you have to be there all the time. You have to monitor the markets. You have to follow it. But because you understand the fundamentals, you understand the tokenomics of the particular cryptocurrency you are holding, or you don't bother so much about watching the markets, following it up. All you just need to do is to check up your portfolio from time to time, and you are good, because you already understand the market dynamics, you understand the crypto you purchased, and you understand the value that it is bringing to the marketplace. So it requires less time for anybody who is a crypto investor. And then before you are able to choose any crypto that you keep in your portfolio, you would have done your research, you would have understood so much about that, and you also have gotten the right mindset that crypto projects that bring value to the table or that are providing unique solutions take time to develop. So you have already gotten the mindset, the right mindset. So you are patient, you are disciplined to hold for a long time. That's how you know who a crypto investor is or what crypto investing is. How about crypto trading? Crypto trading is different because the approach is short. For crypto investing, the approach is long. For crypto trading, the approach is short. It involves just quickly buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. This can happen within hours, within days, or in a few weeks. You have taken a position in a cryptocurrency and you have taken your profit. So it just takes advantage of the price movements and the market trend. When the trend is upwards or tending towards upwards, crypto traders could take position, buy, make a few profit, on their buying, and then they sell again. That's what crypto trading is. Then crypto traders do not care so much about fundamentals of any particular cryptocurrency they trade. They're not attached emotionally to anyone. Once they see that this cryptocurrency has the potential to rise in value, maybe in the next hours, in the next days, in the next weeks, they quickly take position and buy. So what they're doing basically is to speculate on those coins based on the future price, what they perceive the future price could be, not necessarily what value they hold or what solutions they are providing. So that's how crypto traders operate. Another thing that makes crypto trading different from crypto investing is that it requires more time. You have to be there to watch the markets. You have to be there to take profits as quickly as possible. You have to understand technical analysis. You have to watch out. You have to listen to trends. You have to be in the news all the time to know what's happening. Because I tell you what, news, trends can affect the price of a particular cryptocurrency or the cryptocurrency market generally. If the news, is favorable, that can potentially mean increase in price. And if there's negative news or people are pessimistic about the markets, then the price can also drop. So people who are into crypto trading pay more attention. They're always up and doing, learning techniques, analysis, learning fundamentals, of course, being ready to take profits quickly, and of course, take a position as quickly as possible. So it requires a lot of time and effort than it is for crypto investing. And of course, like I said, you have to continuously monitor the market, execute trades, you're taking position, you're buying, you're selling at the right times, you are open to numerous tools and indicators that can help you stay on top of your game when you are trading. So these are the differences between crypto investing and crypto trading. So when next you hear crypto trading, you should understand that crypto investors think long-term. They approach the market with a long-term mindset. Crypto traders are not attached emotionally to any one particular cryptocurrency. They are about taking advantage of the market trends, the upward movement of price. They buy, they sell, they take their profits, and they take position again. And it requires a lot of time to be able to monitor that. Does it make crypto trading bad? No. Crypto trading is an entirely market strategy for making money in the crypto space. So that's why it's good for you to understand these two, and then you can decide which works for you, whether you want to be crypto investor or crypto trader. But like we said, today's focus is on crypto investing. So you can see the opportunities that are available for women in the space. So why is crypto investing important for women? Why does it matter for women? First, is one way for women to empower themselves and take charge of their finances, and of course participate in the digital economy. Like I said at the beginning, there are a lot of women who are unbanked. I remember one of our sessions where we saw a striking statistics where, according to World Economic Forum, you have about 55% of the world population that are still unbanked. And out of these 55% of the world population that are still unbanked, about 50% of that number represents women. That's to tell you, we still have a lot of women who are not participating in economic activities or part of the digital economy, because the economy is going digital. Everything is going digital. People are doing business digitally these days. People are taking their businesses offline and bringing them online. And so is one way for women to participate, because at the end of the day, when women do business, there is also need to exchange value. How do I pay you if you don't have a bank account, for instance, or you're doing business with somebody who is from another side of the globe? And so investing in crypto, understanding how it works, will help women take advantage, become empowered, participate in the digital economy. Of course, it's another way to break down traditional barriers when it comes to financial inclusion and wealth creation. For instance, there are some traditional investments that are very capital intensive, for instance, say real estate. So if you don't have a lot of money to play in real estate, you will not be able to do so effectively. But with crypto investing, like I told you, you could actually invest in different areas, different businesses, according to how you are able to participate without having to have all the money. So it is demystifying the way investment is done and giving women opportunity to be included financially in processes that create wealth. And this is one reason women should pay attention to how these things work, how blockchain works, how cryptocurrencies work, and how it can empower them. Another reason that women should pay attention to crypto investing and all that is happening within the blockchain and crypto space is the fact that it provides you access to new investment opportunities and, of course, potentials for significant returns. Like I said, tokenization is one of them. NFTs are one of them. You could also start doing your business online and, of course, take advantage of the peer-to-peer system. And, of course, you could buy into cryptocurrencies that are providing real value, which gives you part ownership of those crypto assets or crypto businesses or crypto solutions. So there are opportunities, enormous opportunities for women to take advantage, to expand their financial portfolio, and of course, to empower themselves. With crypto investing, women could even make money and contribute to causes that align with their values. For instance, if you're a woman who is interested in helping children who are out of school, with your crypto investing knowledge, you could invest, make some funds, and still give back to the society. So it's very important for women to understand this. The opportunities are enormous. The empowerment it brings to women are enormous, because when you empower a woman, you empower the family, you empower the society, and the world will be better for it. So women could participate in different causes because they now are able to generate income or profit from their investing activities within the blockchain and crypto space. Now, there are some terms we need to understand when it comes to crypto investing. So in case it's your first time of joining our sessions, you've not heard certain terms, you've not come to understand them, I thought it wise to include it, key terms and concepts that you need to pay attention to or understand in the crypto investing space or investment space. First, you need to pay attention to the concept called blockchain. So if it's your first time, blockchain is a secured and transparent record-keeping system. It's more like a ledger or a network that keeps records of data, of information, of transaction in a way that is decentralized, in a way that is transparent, in a way that is secure. So you need to understand this. And I know this will not be exhaustive as we go through it, but I encourage you to go back to our YouTube channel. We've done series of presentations that have captured all these concepts and broken them down in the simplest way so you understand them and see how they fall in place in all the conversations we're having here in the community. Then you also need to understand cryptocurrencies. These are digital assets. You know, they're like money, but this time around, the money is not physical, like the cash you would hold normally or the currency of where you live. So these are digital assets. They are decentralized, not controlled by any one person. They are not controlled by any government, and they run on the blockchain. So the blockchain is the technology that powers these cryptocurrencies. Today, what we're talking about is cryptocurrency investing. So now you understand what cryptocurrencies are, and then it makes sense to know that cryptocurrency investing is buying, holding, managing your crypto assets with the aim of making profits over a period of time. Then you also need to understand what we call wallets. These are digital storage solutions for holding your cryptocurrency, because when you buy these cryptocurrencies, you need to hold them securely somewhere, just like the way you put your money as it were in your purse, in your handbag, or in your safe somewhere in the house. You need a digital storage solution for holding your crypto assets, and they are called wallets. We talked extensively about crypto wallets. You may want to go to our YouTube channel to check for the presentation we held on crypto wallets to get more insights. There are a number of crypto wallets, and time will not allow us to expand on that now. Then you also need to understand exchanges. So exchanges are platforms that allow you to buy cryptocurrencies, for you to sell, for you to trade, for you to manage your cryptocurrencies. And we've already explained all this in our previous presentations. We expanded on them massively, and then you want to go to our channel and get your hands on these presentations and expand your knowledge on them. So these exchanges are of different types. We've already covered them in our previous sessions. Then orders, instruction that you give to buy or sell cryptocurrency at a specific price, all right? So you can put a buying order, you can put a selling order. There are different dynamics to that, and all that will help you manage your crypto investments very well. Then we also need to understand what market capitalization is. Market capitalization means the total value of a particular cryptocurrency. Let's say a particular cryptocurrency is valued at $10, okay? And you have 100 million of such cryptocurrency in circulation. What that means is that the market capitalization for that particular cryptocurrency is $1 billion. Why? Because the value, the price for one is $10 in this example. And you have 100 million of the coins in circulation. So 100 million times $10 will give you about $1 billion in value. So that $1 billion in this example is the market capitalization for this particular cryptocurrency in this example. So this market capitalization is an important indicator to learn about the size of a particular cryptocurrency, its popularity, the potential it has, and so it's a metric you want to pay attention to. And there are a number of things that can actually affect market capitalization. For instance, the demand of that particular cryptocurrency and the supply. Okay, so of course the sentiments, when people are optimistic about a particular cryptocurrency, that can affect the price. If the sentiments is positive, that will affect the price. If the price appreciates, then the market capitalization will also appreciate, because that will mean a higher price times the circulating supply, which you see now expands the market capitalization. If the sentiment is not so nice, people are a bit pessimistic about the market, then the price can drop. And once the price drops, then that also means that the market capitalization will drop. Why? Because the price has dropped. So when the lesser value is multiplied by the total circulating supply, you can see that the value it gives in total also drops. So these are a number of factors that can affect, even media, the news, trends, all these things are factors that could affect the market capitalization of a particular cryptocurrency. But it's not the only indicator you should be paying attention to when it comes to deciding the cryptocurrency to invest in. Is one of the indicators you should pay attention to, but not the only indicators. You need to pay attention to the solution that particular cryptocurrency is providing, the function, how much the market is responding, the demand and supply. All these are indicators, technical analysis, fundamental analysis. What solution is it providing? How is it different from other cryptocurrencies? How is the adoption? How are people adopting it? How are people using it? What solution is it providing? All these are factors and indicators that you need to consider before taking any cryptocurrency or buying it or investing in it. But certainly market capitalization is one of the indicators you should also be paying attention to. So these are key terms and concepts you should be paying attention to when it comes to crypto investing. So now let's look at what you should do when investing in crypto. What are the first things? What are the mindsets you should have? What are the first steps? What should you have in mind before you begin to invest in cryptocurrencies? First, do your own research. Forget about the hype, forget about the noise, forget about what anybody is saying to you. You have to do your own research. There are tools out there that can help you. CoinMarketCap is one of them. You can watch some YouTube channels. There are articles and blogs. Of course, here in the BitQueens community, we are providing you with useful information that can help you do your own research when it comes to investing in crypto. So that's number one you must have in your mind. The first thing you should always do is whenever you think of investing in any cryptocurrency, please do your own research. Then another thing you need to have in mind is to choose a secure and user-friendly platform. By platform, I mean an exchange from where you will buy your crypto. So if it's your first time, you've never purchased crypto before, you need an exchange that will help you convert your local currency, whether it's dollar, whether it's naira, whether it's CD or yen, or whatever currency of your location. You need an exchange that will help you convert it from fiat currency to crypto, and then you can begin to invest in any particular cryptocurrency of your choice. So by user-friendly, I mean a platform that is easy, that meets your need. You can learn the features, it's easy for you to use. all platforms are not the same. All exchanges are not the same. There are some that are designed for pro traders or pro investors, people who have been in the space for a long time. There are some that are beginner friendly. So you have to research all that and choose the one that best suits your needs. We've also covered a ton of presentations on exchanges and platforms and the ones you should choose and the reason you should choose them. All these are things you need to put in, into consideration before going into crypto investing. Then you should start small and then diversify with time. When you first come into the space, your confidence might not be at the highest point. You are just starting. So one of the ways to mitigate risks is to start small. Invest what you can afford to lose should anything go wrong. So you start small, but with the more knowledge you accumulate, with the more understanding of the market you have, with the more understanding of the cryptocurrency world that you have, then you can improve on your holdings, you can diversify, you can buy more, you can increase your position. So be ready to start small and then grow from there or diversify from there. Another thing you should have in mind is to adopt a long-term approach because you are investing in crypto. Trading requires a lot of knowledge. You need to understand the markets. You need to understand indicators. You need to understand how to use certain tools to be able to trade, because trading is, a short-term approach, taking a position quickly, making some profits, and then selling it. And of course, it's not all the time that you make profits in the market. So you have to set your mind straight towards that. So adopt a long-term approach that will give you some space to understand how the market works, because then you are not under pressure to buy, you're not under pressure to sell, you're not under pressure to, take a position here or there. That long-term approach will give you the space, will give you the time to understand the markets, to understand the trends, understand the news, and then you can progress from there. Then practice risk management. You have to understand the risks involved and be disciplined enough to be able to manage your risks. Do not allow greed or emotions to override. Don't, because people are saying this particular cryptocurrency is going to do this, is going to 10x or is going to 20x, and go beyond what you can afford to lose. So understand these risks, know your limits, your risk appetite, how much you want to go into the market or invest, and then stick with your investing strategy. So that requires that you have a journal, where it could be digital journal, maybe your iPad or your phone, where you keep record of the investments you've made, the cryptos you have investments in, their value at the time of purchase and things like that, or even a physical book, which, I have and I advise that you hold. So you could, from time to time, see what you're doing, see your journey, and then you can adjust with time. So these are the things you have to hold in mind, or the kind of mindset you have to have before getting into crypto investing. So how do you buy crypto? In case it's your first time, you've never actually bought crypto before and you want to start. Remember, you need to have a wallet or create an account. So that's the first thing you need to do. We've already done presentations in the past, how to create a custodial wallet, which is like an exchange wallet, and of course, how to create a non-custodial wallet. We've covered all that in our presentations. Please check our YouTube channel for such videos. But for the sake of this presentation, I'm going to quickly take us through how to buy crypto. So the first thing is to choose a cryptocurrency exchange, because it's easier for you to connect your account or your local bank account to these exchanges and then deposit money into your wallet before you are able to start making purchases. So you have to do your research. Like I said, all exchanges are not the same. You have to find the one that suits your learning needs. If you're a beginner, there are crypto exchanges that are good. So you could take advantage of Binance, maybe Coinbase or Crypto.com. These are different crypto exchanges you want to look at, and do your own research and choose the one that suits your needs. So that's the first thing. Choose the exchange, and then you want to complete your KYC. By completing your KYC, that means you're going to create an account, and of course they would ask you certain information, personal information and data, your date of birth, your email address. You're going to create a password. you're going to enter your address, where you live, and so many other information. Of course, you're also going to do a liveness check if you're using Binance, for instance, meaning that your face is going to be captured. They want to know that you are authentic, you're not a robot. So they want to have all that data to be sure that you are authentic and your intentions are genuine. Then set up your two-factor authenticator, because security is very important when in the crypto space. You don't want to leave your account or your wallets where you're going to hold your funds without extra security. So two-factor authentication is like adding extra layer of security to your wallet, so that it's difficult for anybody to go into your wallet or do away with the funds. Remember to keep your password safe. Don't share with anybody. You could even have a separate email address with which to do all your crypto investments. So all these are important. We've covered them in our previous sessions, and I encourage you to see those videos and get yourself up to speed with how these things work. Then you need to connect your bank account to that wallet so that you can withdraw the funds and then deposit in that exchange that you're using. Say, for instance, Binance. So there's a way to connect that if your country permits it, because it's not functional for all countries. But if your country permits it, then the next thing to do will be to connect your bank account through your card, so you're able to withdraw funds from your bank account, and then you're able to deposit it in your exchange wallet. And then you can buy the cryptocurrency of your choice, right? It's that simple. You just exchange the value for any cryptocurrency of your choice within that exchange. And then once you've made the purchase, because you are, for the long term, you are investing, you're not trading, it will be nice to move it from that exchange wallet to a software wallet that is under your control. You could send it to a software wallet because it's still connected to the internet, but it's under your control. Or you could send it to a cold wallet. A cold wallet is a wallet that is off the internet, offline. And so these are ways in which you can hold your cryptocurrencies after you have done your purchase, and then you can begin to just monitor the price and adjust your strategy, your purchases with time. So this is how to buy crypto. You choose a platform that suits your need, you create an account, complete your KYC, set up two-factor authenticator, connect your bank account, withdraw some funds, deposit in your exchange wallet. Then with your funds, you buy your cryptocurrency, you send to a software wallet from the exchange wallet, or you send to a cold wallet, and then you are good to go. That's pretty much what is involved in buying a crypto or investing in a crypto. So let's look at some crypto investment strategies you can adopt. Remember, crypto investing is a strategy of making money in the crypto market, but you need to have strategy. You need to understand how the market works. You need to be able to measure your progress, to know what's happening at every point in time, and to adjust. So let's look at some investment strategies. Now, the first investment strategy I want to share with you is to start small. Yes, starting small is a strategy. Yes, not because you heard that cryptocurrencies allow you make money, then you just go in all big. Remember, if you are still a beginner, you need a lot of time to still understand what is happening in the market. So you have to start small. So you could say, oh, I want to get $10 worth of a coin, or $20 worth of a coin, or $30 worth of a coin, just something you are comfortable with. So you start small, and then you can adjust with time. Remember, the more time you stay in the space, the more knowledge you accumulate, the more of sessions like this you attend, the tools you explore, the more understanding you get, and then the more your confidence will grow, and you can improve on your investment or your holding. So start small and adjust with time. Starting small and adjusting with time is an investment strategy that you can adopt in the crypto space. Then take advantage of dollar costing average. What does that mean? It means buying regularly a certain amount of cryptocurrency to even out your purchases. Sometimes when you buy, the price could be high, sometimes it could be low. So if you decide that every month I'm going to buy $100 worth of crypto, irrespective of the price at that time, it helps to lower the cost actually of buying the crypto. But if you are somebody who buys spontaneously because you see the price is going up, oh, this particular cryptocurrency is going up, is going to rise and all of that, and then you just wake up at that point in time and then you buy. When the price drops, you'll see you are going to you would have incurred some loss. So it's good for you to take advantage of dollar cost averaging, meaning that you could decide to buy, let's say, $10 worth of crypto every week, or let's say $10 worth of crypto every month, or $100 worth of crypto every month. So that way you can even out the costs you incur for purchasing this crypto. And then that will allow you see improvement in the value of the holdings you have, or that particular cryptocurrency you have, when the price appreciates. So it's good to take advantage of this. You could set a target for yourself. I want to buy every month for the next 6 months. That's a fantastic strategy to use. Don't wait until when the prices are going up or when there is a hype in the market to decide to buy. By then, it would have given you opportunity for your holdings to appreciate with time a value. Then consider where you are in the cycle. In the crypto space, there's what we call the bull and bear markets, the bull cycle and the bear cycle. So the bull cycle is when the market is optimistic, people are optimistic, and at that time, the prices are rising, okay? Bearish is when the sentiments are low, people are pessimistic about the market, they're a bit fearful, everybody's just trying to be careful, people are not just buying. Then at that time, the prices are dropping. You should understand this. The idea for crypto investing is to buy low and sell when the value is high. You don't want to buy when the value is high and sell when the value is low. So you have to understand that this in itself alone is a strategy that can help you stay profitable in the crypto investing space. So know where you are in the cycle and decide when to buy and when to sell. Okay, so this is one to really pay attention to. We've been in the bearish market for some time now, and the markets are beginning to look a bit bullish, but that's not an investment advice. And I mean, you should also do your own research and know what the cycle is saying at the time. What opportunity is there for you? Is this a good buying time for you? That's the question that you should ask yourself. But because the markets have been bearish for some time, it offered a buying opportunity for people who have been in the space and who understand how the market works. Now, another thing that affects the cycle is the Bitcoin halving, which is going to be happening next year. That's 2024, sometime around April or May. That's the time the number of Bitcoins that are awarded to Bitcoin miners are reduced in half. That is exactly by 2. At this point in time, Bitcoin miners that successfully add a block to the existing blocks. By adding a block to existing blocks, I mean to validate transactions successfully, receive 6.25 Bitcoins for each successfully added block. This is the way Bitcoin is generated. New Bitcoins are created. And as we speak, about 19.5 million Bitcoins have already been mined, and the remaining 1.5 million will not be mined until the year 2140. Okay. Now, when the Bitcoin halving happens, what that basically means is that 6.5 will be divided into 2. And so that would result to about 3.125 Bitcoins. Okay. So these are dynamics that, affect price, and all of that. And when the Bitcoin halving happens, it has a way of influencing the markets. But like I always say, do your own research, understand the markets before taking a position. Then diversify your portfolio. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. I always advise, if you're a beginner, maybe 3 at most 7 coins or cryptocurrencies that you can invest in at a time. To pick out maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, at most 7, but I don't usually advise it beyond 7, especially for beginners. Then understand them, do your research, understand the analysis, understand the value, the solution it's providing, what the roadmap for that particular cryptocurrency is, what value they're bringing, what's the adoption, what are people saying, and then you can buy and hold. So diversifying your portfolio is one strategy you can adopt. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. Then set realistic goals. Setting a realistic goal is an investment strategy in the crypto space. Yes, while you could 10x your funds, 100x your funds, please understand that cryptocurrency investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. And if your goals are not set right, your mindset is not set right, you could actually get frustrated or feel sad when those expectations are not met. So set realistic goals, understand the trends, understand the markets, and adjust as you go. So it's important to have this mindset straightened out. The cryptocurrency market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. These cryptocurrencies are actually solutions that are being provided, brought into the marketplace. And sometimes these things take time to develop in value. So you may also want to pay attention to all that before deciding what cryptocurrencies to go for. Then you could use the limit orders. Limit orders allow you set a price at which you want to buy. This is a strategy, which means that if the price of a particular cryptocurrency you want to buy is at, say, $20, but you want to buy it at $15, because, of course, there's likelihood that the price will still fall again, you could use limit order to set your purchase, to say, once this particular cryptocurrency drops to $15, make a purchase for me. So this is doable with crypto exchanges. You could actually do that. Even with the non-custodial wallet, like the personal wallet, you could actually set a notification that alerts you when the price drops. Then you can make your purchase. So with exchange wallets, you could actually do that. Like Binance, for instance, you could set a limit order to say, once the price drops to $15 in this example, make this purchase for me. So you set the order, whether you're there or not, the order automatically executes itself. Even with selling, you could actually do that. You could say, oh, I bought this at, let's say $20. If the price hits $25 or $30, sell. So all these are strategies you could use to mitigate risk, to buy at good prices, and of course, have the opportunity to sell at a good price. So using limit orders will also help. It's a strategy that you can adopt in your crypto investing. So how do you now monitor and adjust your crypto investment strategy and your goals? You have to keep track of your portfolio's performance. That's why I say you need to have a journal where you can write down all the cryptos you've invested in, the prices at which you bought them, and then see how they are doing at the time of checking. Are they appreciating in value? Are they depreciating, or are they a bit stable? Are they just fluctuating a bit? All these things can help you keep track of your portfolio performance that you have, the value it has gathered, and of course, you can rebalance with time, okay? Rebalance means if you have a number of cryptocurrencies that you have invested in, there are chances that some could be doing more, doing better than the other. There are some that might even not have grown or just fallen in value. What you may need to do is to sell off those ones that are not doing well and take position with those ones that are doing better. That's one way. That's another strategy. So you have to keep track. You cannot improve what you do not measure. That's why it's good to note when you have purchased a particular cryptocurrency, at what price you purchased it, and then you can see over time what value it has gathered or what price it is at the time you are doing your own checks, and then you can decide whether you can still continue to hold that particular cryptocurrency, or you may want to sell it and then use it to buy those ones that are doing better. So that's one way to monitor and adjust your crypto investing strategy while investing in cryptocurrencies. Another one is to adjust your strategy and goals according to your risk appetites and expectations. If your risk appetite is high, then I can understand that you can adjust. But if your risk appetite is not high, please set according to your expectations. Invest Likewise, okay, you could decide to go for the low risk coins. That is coins that do not, some of these cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, especially these meme coins. You could cut down on them because the same way their prices go upward, sometimes are the same way the prices come down. And you're not usually in control of the movement of these prices. So you may want to cut down and focus on low risk cryptocurrencies. For instance, like Bitcoin, even stable coins. You can go for stable coins. You must not buy cryptocurrencies that fluctuate in value. You could actually buy stable coins. I give an example. In Nigeria, there was a time Naira was exchanging for 850 Naira for $1. And you could buy USDT at that price, 850 Naira per USDT. Okay. Now, as we speak, the value of one USDT to the Naira is about 1,000 Naira. So if you purchased when it was 850, at this point in time, you've made up to 150 Naira on your purchase per USDT. So you can see that you could actually take such low risk options and still make profits. So that's why you need to do your own due diligence, understand the markets, understand your risk appetite, and then adjust accordingly. Okay, so that's another way to manage your crypto investing strategy. Take profits when necessary. And if you incur loss, don't wait until you lose everything. Although this could differ depending on the situation, that a cryptocurrency is losing value does not necessarily mean that that cryptocurrency is poor. Let's say you bought it when it was $50 per coin. It could momentarily drop to about $35. It doesn't mean that it's doing badly or that cryptocurrency does not have value. So we have temporary price fluctuation. That's why you need to understand the cryptocurrency you are investing in, so that when you see such temporary fluctuations in price, it doesn't bother you so much because you understand the cryptocurrency that you have purchased and the value it is bringing, the solution is providing. So from time to time, reevaluate your portfolio, take profits. And then if you are already incurring loss, you can cut your losses, sell what is left, and then re-strategize. Look at what strategy you can adopt that will work better for you next time. Because the idea, like I said, is to earn money. You don't want to leave all the profits in the market and, of course, lose them after some time. So you may want to take profits from time to time when necessary and cut your losses also when necessary. Then stay informed. That's why you need to be part of a community. Sometimes, especially when you are starting out and you don't know much in the space, you need to be part of a community that can help you. Then you could explore other tools like watching some YouTube videos. We also have some that could help you, especially if you're a beginner. You could also check out resources there, tools like CoinMarketCap. That's a tool that gives you an overview of all the different cryptocurrencies or tokens or crypto assets there are about 22,000 crypto assets or digital assets that are captured in the CoinMarketCap. So you need to go there, research. Of course, CoinGecko is one of them, and other articles that you can find online. All these are materials that will help you stay informed. Then be willing to learn from your mistakes, because I tell you what, it's not all the time you're going to be making profits in the market. Sometimes too, you may lose. So be willing to learn from your mistakes, your successes, also what you did and you did right. How did you do it? Why are you successful? How can you duplicate that? Now, if you made a mistake or you had some losses, what did you do? How did you do it? What can you learn from that? And what can you change? Be open to learning. And that's the only way you can get better with crypto investing. And always seek to get advice or feedback from members of your community, especially if you have a community of women where you belong, like BitQueens. Be open to having certain conversations, sharing your experiences, getting some feedback, getting advice from those who already are ahead of you in the crypto investing space. So this is how to monitor and adjust your crypto investment strategy and goals. Now, as we round up, let's look at common myths and misconceptions that people have about crypto investing. We're going to be demystifying them. We're going to be detangling them. The first is that cryptocurrencies are a get-rich-quick scheme. I've already said that. Cryptocurrencies are not a get-rich-quick scheme. First of all, these cryptocurrencies are technologies that are providing solutions. So they are developed to focus on a particular function or solution. And so the reality is that crypto investing involves risks, and it also involves that you do your research and understand your investment strategies before going into them. But they are not a get-rich-quick scheme. These things take time. Some of them will have to take time before they appreciate in value. For instance, when Bitcoin was launched, it was almost zero, nothing when it was launched. Today, Bitcoin is about 28 to about 30 or $35,000 in value. So you can see these things take time, and it's about 15 years since its launch. All right, so you have to understand the dynamics, you have to understand the market, you have to understand the risks involved, and choose the cryptocurrencies you want to invest in, but never assume that cryptocurrencies are a get-rich-quick scheme. Then another one is that cryptocurrencies are illegal or unregulated. That's not true. Cryptocurrency regulations are evolving. Countries are deliberating to have regulatory frameworks that will help regulate the space. And so you could also have a situation where exchanges who are in jurisdictions where these regulations are already up and running can comply. So it's important for you to understand all this and go for exchanges, for instance, that are already complying to regulations of jurisdiction in which they operate. Another misconception is that cryptocurrencies are not suitable for beginners. No, that's not true. Yes, the reality is that you have to understand how the market works. So you need proper education. That's the reality. You also need to understand risk management. You make yourself available for trainings like this. You too, even as a beginner, can participate in crypto investing. And we've already shared with you some strategies that you can adopt to do well in your crypto investing journey. And so in conclusion, crypto investment empowers women to take charge of their finances and of course participate in the digital economy. Like I told you, there are lots of women who are unbanked. Crypto investing gives them the opportunity to participate in what's happening digitally and also to empower themselves and of course impact the world. So what is important as a crypto investor is to understand the fundamentals, decide what strategies work for you, apply those strategies, utilize the resources available as much as possible. All this will help you become successful in your crypto investing journey. And of course, BitQueens is a community of empowered women, and collectively, if we take advantage of the potential of the crypto investing, then we can build wealth for ourselves. We are here at BitQueens providing you with the knowledge, with the tools, the strategies that you need to remain successful in your crypto investing journey. So with that said, congratulations, you stayed till the end. And as you can see, we had a great time learning. We looked at what crypto investing is, how it's different from traditional investing, why it is important for women, the strategies you can adopt, the tips, the resources, how you can monitor your investment, and of course, adjust as you grow. And of course, we demystified investment myths and misconceptions. Thank you so much for being part of this wonderful, wonderful, wonderful session. Follow us on all our social media handles. We're there on all the social media platforms. And in case you want to ask any questions or you want to make any inquiries, leave us a mail at bitqueenshq@gmail.com, bitqueenshq@gmail.com, and we'll respond to any questions or inquiries that you may have. So it's time now to interact. Do you have any questions? You want to share any experience? Have you been investing in crypto before now? Do you have any experience you want to share with us? It's time now to get your feedback. Thank you, Carol, for still being here. Virginia, I see you. Madam Mutiat, it's good to have you. Charity, thank you for being here. So let's get your feedback.
Oh, Christy, this is absolutely brilliant. It's just so much, it's just so full of meaty, essential advice that we need. And, you know, you covered a whole range of things. And I've got someone I'd like to add to the WhatsApp group. And I said she'll be able to watch this recording when it's uploaded. because she rang me. I've had about 2 different calls while I've been on here. She rang me wanting to know how to exchange one currency for another. Yeah, so I said, I've dealt with that now, but I said I will get her added to the group because this is just full of the sort of information. She's relatively new-ish to blockchain and crypto, but this is the place she needs to be to get the education she needs to confidently move forward. So thank you for all that you do and the time that you give up your Sunday for us all to benefit. So thank you so much indeed.
You're welcome. Thank you for your kind words. And I'm happy you found this valuable and that someone else will also find this valuable. Thank you so much for always being here in our community. We appreciate you. So let me have your feedback. Go to the comments and share with us your feedback. Do you have any questions in particular, maybe something we've learned today or something we've learned in the past, anything relating to cryptocurrencies or the blockchain space? Please feel free to ask your questions. All right, if you don't have any questions, please remember that you can always ask your questions. It doesn't have to be now. You can always ask your questions after you've watched this. I know it was a lot to take in, I understand. So feel free to watch this again. I'm sure when you watch it again, you'll be able to understand more. And then if you have any questions, you can drop in our group chats. They will all be responded to you. Like I said, you could also leave a mail for us. Whatever concerns that you may have, we would be there to respond. In our subsequent session, we will continue this conversation about crypto investing. We're going to look at some risks and some other parts, what you need to know. This is so extensive that we might not be able to finish everything in one conversation. So next Sunday, we'll continue with crypto investing and we will be able to wrap it up. Thank you, Virginia, for your feedback. She says, thanks so much, Christy, for this session. It's really eye-opening, got clarified in areas I've been apprehensive about cryptocurrency. I can now invest with more confidence. Okay, that's great. Thank you so very much. I'm happy you got great value and this has boosted your confidence to take advantage of the crypto investing opportunity. Like I said, it holds in itself opportunity for women to create wealth for themselves. But like everything, you need to take the basics first. You need to understand how it works. You need to understand the risks involved, and you need to adopt a strategy that will work for you over time. Remember, we keep learning, and the more you learn, the more confidence you'll have, the better your strategies will get, and then the better you will do with the crypto investing. Charity says it was a wonderful session. Thanks for sharing this with us. I'm happy you found this valuable, and we hope you take advantage of all that you've learned today to start your crypto investing. On that note, we'd like to say thank you, everyone who participated. I'm always happy to be here to share all that value with you on behalf of the BitQueens team. Like I said, we'll be here again next Sunday, 5 p.m. West African time, 4 p.m. GMT. So do well to join us. And if you know other women who are seeking this type of knowledge, they're interested in understanding how blockchain works and how we can empower them as women, then do well to invite them to join our community and also join our sessions every Sunday. Until we come your way again, my name is Christy, and bye for now. Bye, everyone. Bye, Carol. Bye, Virginia. Bye, Mutiat. Bye, Charity. See you next Sunday.